I brought you some branches.
See, I've got some, I've got a bunch of branches, and then I've got this birch bark. And that stuff usually takes
a couple tries. See smoke. Smells good. What is that?
This is a cotton ball, but it's got petroleum jelly on it.
What is it?
What is it?
Yeah.
Well, it's gonna hopefully catch, yeah.
Yay!
You get real gentle with it.
We barely got it.
I'm very impressed because that wood had snow on it.
Yeah. Well, we used one of our little tinder things.
Oh.
Our petroleum jelly things we made a couple years ago.
Cool.
We barely got it going.
Okay, I brought you some more wood.
Thank you.
I got more too.
These are mine.
like this.
Probably a stick for that.
But when you're done with that, that's exactly kind of what I need. Dad, please have that, and I'll return it.
What do you mean?
The cup. That cup right there.
Oh no, we can get your stuff. It's in the shed. I don't think there's a thing like that, the hands, right?
No, when I just.
Yes, what you said was funny too.
It's time to make some breakfast. One of my most exciting meals. I actually think all meals are pretty much exciting for me. I need to make some more garlic aioli sauce because we use fresh eggs, and after about 3 or 4 days, we don't really want to eat sauce that's got raw egg in it. The ingredients that we have today is we have an egg, we have some red wine vinegar, we have just a half a cup of olive oil, some garlic, some salt and pepper. I'm going to put that egg in there. This is from our chickens from this morning. And then what I'm going to do is put half a cup of olive oil in there. This is the base for our mayonnaise. So what we're going to do is we're going to immersion blend this. So that gets a nice thick mayonnaise. First I'm going to add about 3 or 4 garlic cloves. We really like garlic, so this is going to be pretty garlicky. Then we'll add our salt and pepper and our vinegar.
Cleaning patrol.
Oh. Why, thank you, honey.
Cleaning patrol. And it only costs 1 kiss.
Oh. Like I said, it's got a lot of garlic in it, but we really like that. And that's the first thing before breakfast. A little goes a long way,
Yeah.
but it's really good.
Mm-hmm. I think I have to shave my beard too.
Your beard's coming in nice.
Thanks. Can I open this?
Yeah. Some of our friends came back from Florida and they did some crabbing, so they brought some crabs back to us. And we are going to process these and make a nice little breakfast out of crab. I should just dump it all out here.
What's that yucky stuff?
That's the insides of the crab.
Ugh.
Yeah. So there's some meat in there.
How are you supposed to do this?
It's kind of hard, huh?
Oh,
Get it?
I think so.
Yeah, see it cracks it and doesn't break it all. So, and that's what we do is we take,
Is that meat?
that's meat.
Ah, I did. Oh! Oh! Hey! No, please don't do this. I got it. There's meat right there, Daddy.
Cool. So we got our crab peeled, and now what we're going to do is just saute it up, and then we're going to add it to some pico and some flatbread and make some nice little tacos. Well, now it's time for breakfast. We're gonna make some tacos and enjoy it.
I gotta try a little sample of this. Oh, that's good. That is very good.
That's,
I gotta save some for you guys.
Blue crab from the Florida.
Yeah.
Atlantic, yeah. The east side of Florida.
Oh my gosh, that's yummy.
I need to get this.
There you go. It's potent.
I know. It's a little tricky to do with a fork.
Thank you, Dad. This is really good.
Yeah, I'm
Well,
excited.
it's gonna be really good.
Okay, do you want to come make yours?
I'm gonna try this to get out.
Looks juicy.
Mmm.
I'll be having 2 of these.
All right, let's do.
Are you gonna wrap pattern around it?
I'm gonna wrap a pizza around it after it's done.
So delicious.
And
It didn't feel like there was room for lettuce.
Yeah, no, I agree. Well, the good salad tonight too.
What? What?
That's so good.
That's really good.
Let's
That's
go
really
to the
good.
table.
It's
Let's
really
go to
good.
the table.
All right.
That's really good, honey. Thank you so much, you guys.